Hello friends, our today topic is relative minors and majors. So as we have studied in grade 1 also the minor keys, just as you have choose relative in your family, so major keys have keys that are closely related. The closest minor key of each major key is its relative minor. So as you know from grade 1, the key of C major has no sharps or flats in its key signature. That means the relative minor will have the same key signature as its relative major scale or major key. Okay. So using your knowledge of major keys from grade 1, write out the key signature of their relative minor keys. So let's do it. So we know the key signature of G major is F sharp. Okay. F sharp. So the key signature of G major's relative minor would be definitely F sharp. So we'll put it here, F sharp, because they are relative. So they share the same key signature. Okay. Now in key signature of C major, we know there is no sharp and no flat. So same way the relative key signature of C major will have no sharp and no flat. Okay. If we move to next, this key signature F major. So key of F major, we know we have B flat. Okay. So B has to be flat here. So key signature of F major relative, definitely they share the same key signature. So we'll have B flat in that as well. Okay. I hope you understood. So understand the relative minor key and major key will share the same key signature. So finding the tonic of relative minor key. So how to find the relative minor key? So count down 3 semitones from the tonic of a major key to find the tonic of relative minor. For example, if the tonic is C major, the tonic of C major relative minor key will be A minor. How we find that? We steps 3 semitones down. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, and 3 steps. So 3 semitones. So that is from C, we go to B. From B, we go to B flat. And then we go to A. That is how we find our relative minor key. Okay, so let's find out in our questions. So count down the 3 semitones to find the tonic of relative minor. Okay, so let's make our same thing. We'll use our keyboard to make your life easier. Okay, so always remember, this is very helpful. If you learn this, it will be better for you. Okay, so now we are at F right now. So now we have to go 3 semitones down. So now from F to first semitone is, if we go backwards, it's E. Now from V go semitone, there will be E flat. And then from E flat, if you go one more semitone, that would be D. So that means the relative minor of F major is D minor. So that means if we go from F 3 steps, 3 semitones down, we find the D as a relative minor. Okay. The tonic of G major. Okay, so let's start from G here. So if we are here at G, the first semitone down is G flat. The second tone will be F. And the third semitone would be E. So we know if we go down from G, our next relative minor will be E here. Okay. Now next will be C major. So for C major, if we start from C, so first note would be C. Now from C, if we go a semitone back, it will be B. From B, it will be B flat. And from B flat, it would be A. So we finish here on A. Okay. So I hope you understood how to find your relative minor key. Okay. 3 semitones back. So finding the tonic of a relative major key. So finding the tonic of a relative major key. So count down 3 semitones from the tonic of a major key to find the tonic of the relative major key. For example, if we're at A minor, the tonic of A minor relative will be C major key. Okay, so they have gone 3 semitones up now. So if this is first semitone, so this is A, this is B flat, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so let's find that out. So if we are at, this is D minor, so let's make our key signature first: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay, so let's start from D. So to find D minus relative major, we have to take 3 semitones up. So from D, the first semitone is E flat. The next semitone would be E. And the next semitone would be F. So we find the F major scale as a relative minor. Okay. Next is E minor. So let's take 3 semitones from E. So this is our E. Next semitone is F. Next semitone is G flat. And next semitone is G. So we find G as relative major scale. Okay. Next one is A minor. So for A minor, let's take 3 semitones up. So from A, it's B flat, the first semitone. From B flat, we have B. And then from B, we have a semitone as C. So we find C as our major scale key. Okay. So I hope you have understood. To find the relative major or relative minor, you have to take 3 semitones up or 3 semitones back. Okay. So if you have any doubt about this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. Okay. Now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.